Dear Mr. Cook, I'm Genevieve. Since I believe Novatti has accurate and clear general strategy, but lacks detailed strategy regarding different contexts, my recommendations will be focusing on specific products, especially on their implementation process. The first recommendation is for China payments. China payments has a large potential market, as Novatti can access and connect with the global market. However, the current advertising and marketing strategy is too general and not very effective. A core principle of marketing saying that firms need to deliver superior customer values in order to achieve superior business performance. Therefore, my recommendation is to build a more detailed customer personas so that the company can target on more specific groups. These groups are where the value of our service can be maximized, and consequently, where the business performance can be best achieved. After that, based on the results, Novatti can consider to establish a cross-sectional partnership with business operating in these fields. For instance, if we target on international freshman students, then China Payments can consider to partner with Chinese student agencies to increase the penetration rate among the group. The second recommendation is for Amagachi platforms, which I will call it Zimbabwe platform. This service is different from all other services provided by Novatti because it's operating in the base of pyramid market, which is saying the target audience is basically the poor. Different from the traditional market where the data can be easily accessed, like the big data technologies and the customer portrait, as what I have mentioned. The poor financial infrastructure in the BOP market always hinders the acquisition of data. Sometimes even the basic information like digital identities are hard to acquire by companies. When it comes to individual levels, the poor have limited disposable income, so they are very price sensitive. And they usually have lower education levels, so they have lower acceptance of new coming things. As a for-profit company, Novatti will face the difficulties of being sustainable with ultra-thin unit profit margin. My recommendation to it would be co-creating with locals. Jugaad innovation, applying the bottom-up strategy instead of traditional top-down approach, proactively use the trial and error method are all good examples. Ultimately, what I want to say is Novatti should view the poor not as consumers or clients, but also view them as partners and colleagues so they can learn from each other instead of only the business teaching the consumers. So this way, I believe Novatti will achieve big success in Zimbabwe. That's all my recommendations. Thanks for listening.